This is a very special episode for a lot of reasons. Actually, one reason. There's one reason. There's literally no other reason. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and this week,
the one and only Davey Jones. You might have heard me, you might have seen me on TV, DJ Davey Jones, you know.
Third week in a row, we got Davey Jones. And this week, we are at Goosecup, which is located in downtown Leesburg, right off King Street. It's on King Street, actually, right next to the bike trail. This is a very special episode for a lot of reasons. Actually, one reason. There's one reason. There's literally no other reason. There's a special episode for one reason. We're at Goosecup. We're gonna do the OFF, but our 2-year anniversary for Old Fashioned Friday and Virginia's for Grubbers is coming up on August the 6th. And to celebrate that, we're having a party right here at Goosecup, which again is in downtown Leesburg. At that party, what's gonna happen? Last year for our 1-year anniversary, we had the top 3 mixologists that had the 3 highest rated scores in the state all do a roundtable talk to talk about old fashions. This year, those same 3 individuals are creating a custom menu of cocktails that you will only be able to get at this event. Not only are they creating the menu from scratch, but they're gonna be guest bartending right here at Goosecup. And there's gonna be music provided throughout the entire event by not only
DJ Davey Jones, let's go.
Davey Jones. And there's gonna be prizes, giveaways, raffles. A portion of those proceeds are gonna go to the RHOLC Foundation, which is a nonprofit organization located right here in Loudoun County that helps a lot of other nonprofits out throughout the entire community.
So nice, yo, so nice.
The event, we have 2 sponsors right now. Jim Beam Suntory is gonna be sponsoring the event, which is huge. So their spirits are gonna be here, plethora of their spirits. And then Still Ice, which creates this.
I don't think they can see it.
Still Ice is going to be sponsoring the event and providing us with a plethora of these giant clarified ice cubes. So when you get an old fashioned or you get any of the custom cocktails that these 3 gentlemen create, better be sure that the overall taste is going to stay consistent because you're going to have that Still Ice clarified ice in that drink. That's a lot of information to process. And while we just did all that information, this drink literally still looks identical to when it was sat down. That's because of the clear ice, but I'm not gonna do this episode. Davey Jones is gonna do the rating. Again, I'm having an event here. I don't wanna be biased about their old fashions, so Davey Jones is gonna take over. 0 through 3 on appearance, first sip and overall taste. 0 through 1 on overall ambiance of the restaurant. Maximum score of 10. Let's jump into the appearance.
Yeah, so before I even jump into the drink, let's do the overall ambiance of the appearance. Okay. We're in Leesburg. Yo, this place is cool. It's a coffee/bar, which I don't think I've ever been in one like this. It's bright, different. It's white, it's got industrial like lighting. It's just an industrial feel to it. So I'm giving it an overall 1 because it's a cool place, man. It's just cool vibe. There's people working on their laptop. There's people hanging out, people drinking, you know, it's just a chill vibe. Full 1. All right, first sip. No, we're not gonna do first sip. Yo, I'm arguing with myself. Why am I arguing with myself? I don't want to argue with myself. We're gonna talk about the way this presentation looks. So we got the appearance, big ice cube. Look at that thing sticking out. It looks like an uncircumcised, like, you know what I'm saying. I gotta push it back in. Push it down, push it down. Anyway, we got the orange peel in there. Nice sized glass. Yeah. But still, man, this ice, man, it's like, I can't even see it. When you like put your face to it, you can't even see it. Let me zoom in. Like, can you see it? Can you see it? Look at that. It's just, you can't even see it. You just see the orange peel.
There he is. All right.
Anyway, so overall appearance, I got to give this thing a 2.9. Boom. Nice size glass. Like I said, orange peel. It doesn't have a Luxardo cherry, but guess what? We don't need it because it's overall pretty. We're good.
Davey does like the Luxardos. I'm a fan too. Luxardo. Again, I think it's a bonus, but what do we got?
All right, first sip. Let's go.
Okay.
All right. That's good. That's a good old fashioned. It's smooth. There's no burn. Boom. Like it went down really easy. Like I can pound this out in 1 sip, but I won't.
Yeah, you will.
So my first sip, I got to give it a 2.9.5. That's a 2.9.5.
2.95 first sip. 2.9 on appearance, 1 on, and then we'll get into overall. While you do that, I'm gonna talk about the event. Again, August 6th, 4 p.m. It's free to attend. All you need to do is RSVP on our event page. I'll leave the event page in the comments below on this video, along with all of the other videos that we do to promote the event. Please RSVP so we can get a good head count of the amount of people that are gonna be here. Again, Jim Beam Suntory, we're gonna have a plethora of their spirits here. Davey Jones with the music, some of the best old fashions In my opinion, the best old fashions you're gonna get anywhere in the entire state. Again, I've done over 100 reviews around the entire state of Virginia for this will be our 2-year anniversary. And these 3 guys, in my opinion, are at the top of the top when it comes to their mixology game. So not only are you gonna be able to get their old fashioned, you're gonna be getting a custom menu that they created from scratch with cocktails that you can't get anywhere else.
Wait, is this one gonna be there?
100%.
This one's
old
good.
fashioned's gonna be
That's
there.
good.
We also might do a VIFG cocktail that'll be on the menu as well. And you also might see some of your other favorite foodies at the event. It's just gonna be fun for everybody. There he is.
Look at
there
that.
he is.
You can't see
That's
the
perfect
ice.
timing.
You can't see the ice. I'm gonna stick to my same score.
295.
295.
All right, 9/8, August 6th, Virginia is for Grubbers, Old Fashioned Friday, 2-year anniversary. Please pull up. Davey Jones, Virginia is for Grubbers.
Premature. Cheers, guys. Wait, cheers, guys. Hold on. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
All right.
Cheers,
Run that.
guys.